two trusted insurance giants, but only one can truly protect your peace of mind. Which one measures up? On the left, the dependable, tradition-backed American Family Insurance, and on the right, the modern, tech-savvy Hippo Insurance. Let's put aside the slogans and marketing talk and find out what really matters. We'll score each category, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner just might surprise you. Here, how we're gonna break this down. We're comparing them on price and value, coverage options, technology and experience, claims, service, availability, customer support, and finally perks and extras. Yup, we've got everything covered. First up, price and value. So with American Family, you get lots of discount options, but the truth is their prices are just kinda standard. Not terrible, but you won't usually find those jaw-dropping low rates. Hippo, on the other hand, is actually pretty aggressive about price, especially if you like smart home stuff. They'll even give you extra discounts just for having tech. Plus, their quotes are clear as day. Only downside: hit pause if you're not in one of the states they serve, because you might be out of luck. Still, in this category, Hippo sneaks out ahead. Let's talk coverage options. With AmFam, you can really build out your policy. Like seriously, they'll cover your house, your car, your life, your pet turtle, almost anything with all these add-ons. Some of the cool stuff does cost extra though. Hippo focuses mostly on home, but what's wild is the built-in digital perks. Think water leak sensors and lots of coverage for all your gadgets. The catch: don't look for auto bundles or huge multi-line savings here. If you want a total insurance package, AmFam takes the win. Alright, now technology and experience. American Family's got the basics, a portal, an app, it's all there, but honestly nothing about it wows me. It just works and kind of feels stuck in time. Hippo flips the game. Their app is modern and actually fun to use. Plus, they throw in those free smart devices that help you avoid claims in the first place. But here's a curveball: no local agents, so everything's digital. If you prefer that slick, tech-forward vibe, Hippo absolutely wins here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Hippo actually sends out free smart sensors to help you catch water leaks before they get expensive. Seriously, it's like having a tiny insurance agent in your pipes. Moving on to claims service. AmFam is known for claims that just make sense. Lots of people actually rave about how helpful their reps are, and you get support 24/7 with the option to talk to a real, local person. Sometimes the process is a little old school with paperwork, but honestly it works. Hippo's super quick online, and for simple claims it's like done in a snap. But the trade-off? More complicated cases sometimes trip them up, and not everyone's thrilled with communication. So if claims peace of mind is your thing, American Family takes this one. Now, availability: AmFam, just everywhere. All 50 states, no issues. Hippo, they're growing fast, which is cool, but if you live in certain areas, you might be waiting a while before they get to you. Not much of a contest here, honestly. American Family wins by sheer reach. Customer support: AmFam's all about local agents. You can walk into their office, get someone on the phone, whatever you prefer, and they consistently score high on customer satisfaction. Of course, it can depend a bit on which agent you get. Hippo, it's all digital, really quick response online, but no local help if that's important to you, and some mixed reviews out there. For old school service you can actually talk to, AmFam easily takes it. Perks and extras time. AmFam bundles everything: car, life, pets, travel, you name it, but it usually costs extra. Like, awesome if you want everything under one roof, but the discounts aren't always mind-blowing. Hippo has this cool thing: they'll send you free smart home sensors just for signing up, plus reminders and even help with repairs. If you're into that digital home upgrade life, Hippo takes this one. Let's quickly look at the head-to-head. Hippo nails price, technology, and perks. American Family stands out in coverage, claims, availability, and customer support. They're both strong, just in totally different ways. So here's my take: if you want that personal touch, the ability to bundle everything, and you don't want to worry about state availability, American Family is honestly a safe bet. But if you're all about convenience, price transparency, and turning your house into a smart home fortress, Hippo's approach is tough to beat. Just make sure they cover your area. If this helped you out, or if you love deep dives on where to put your money, you know what to do. Follow for more smart insurance breakdowns. Catch you next time.